Hello all.
Hello and welcome back to CarX Part 3 and West Coast Arena Reverse Special All Vehicles Part 6 on number 342. As I promised, actually there is something I want to tell you about Anniversity, and here we are, back away and just far away, getting away from DjVolgin account. Have fun. I just only can tell you I need to actually deal done with some subscribe and description stuff. Our fame is in here, like on the DjVolgin account. I was getting so sad and so, you know, fucked up. That was for a couple of minutes ago. I see nobody was watching anymore, so let's deal done with this one in here. The CB account. Before I go to sleep, and we catch us later then at Wednesday maybe. On this game again. So many games to play out. I don't want to play them because I'm so sad, I'm so tired. Heart depressions. All this shit. Thank you very much for tuning in and have a nice time. Be right back, need to go to pee, grab me some beer, and we just ended up, actually this one of this part of West Coast Arena with all the cars I just got right now here in the Anniversity account. 26 vehicles. I think we can deal done today, alright? Thank you very much. Thanks for watching, nearby. You're done with the donation CB account. Just need to find the first car to go into this competition. I think that is the latest car I just did. Hashiroko, right? Is it? Let's see. I'm not sure about that one. Not much cars. It is. Gambarimasu. What happened? I was sleeping. A little sleepy on DjVolgin account. Gambatte. Where's the beer, man? We're drinking another beer right now. LS-Vidz, Veltins. Japanisch Robbie Salute Gold next stream. Thank you very much for watching again. Oh crack, what happened actually to Gabba Mac? Hey dude, what's going on? Whoops! What in the hell was that? Get the light on, goddammit. Nope. Get the light off. What? We have to deal down with something else in here. Cause clouds. Mr. Ringfinger. Elden Ring. You see me actually right now in here in the back of his sunglasses. What's up? Okay. Oh, I was direction wrong. Try that beer. Yup. Ooh, that's another node of a beer. Nice one. Let's beat a 3K then. The first car of 26 cars we have. Oh, the vibration is on. Nice one. The controller, the vibration is actually dead, but it's still working. Could be done. Doesn't matter. Finest vehicle. Oh, what's the vibration? Definitely. My controller is having vibrate. Okay, this slot is off. Oh, the other one is closed and sealed. So the bigger vibration acting on the control system then. Whoop, whoop. Bruh. Bruh. Well, let it vibrate then. Next vehicle. Now the controller's going crazy. Uh-oh, not good. Now it's working again. Maybe. Yep. Repaired. Ganbarimasu. Yeah, next level for that account, definitely. Next vehicle. Oh, what's wrong? Sun vents in, shadowing. Looks movie. Neither the bat, guy with the mag. Yo, what's going on in here? Headshot. Your Elden Ring stuff, eh? One finger all the time. Oh boy, what the hell? Oliver! Oliver. Wake up, Chris, goddammit. It's the other account. Dealing done. The people's happy, y'all. On my way to hell. Beer, cigarettes, and tequila. Mexico. Mexico. I can't speak that out. Sorry for that one. What's wrong with this shit, eh? Uh-huh. Sir said right. Shit. Sideways, eh? You remember me like my grandmother. What the hell is going on in here? Shit. I can't deal done with this crack. Damn it. Damn it. Think it's fun ass. She's good. Skilled up. Greetings tonight with the bad home. Come buddy moss. It's a 1 second rule. You're on. Oh, the Scandinavian cars. Nice one. It doesn't matter, it was fun. What the heck was that? You see that action here, right? Oh my god. I like that. Next vehicle. Wütend. On Nuremberg ring car. Let's see what's going on in here. How longer, how stronger? No, I don't think so. Brain power's away. Gambatte. Dealing done with the hat of tequila. Now I'm running out. Become the second member. The second member. There's something I need to getting done with. Homeboy. Damn it. Hold on. I have an idea. Advanced settings. Camera settings. Here we go. That looks better. And people are gone. Now grab me some beer. Hello. I was up for a car ride. 23 cars left. Should build up it on a run in GT or something this crack in the end. But I think I'm dried out of something this crack before we ending up in here. Oh shall I shut the fuck mouth up? Ah shit then. Bye bye. Sound the itch.
Deaf Nation's CarX D.R.O. 2024 URL.
Well, we're down to constellation. Oh, constellation. Bruh. How about that? Das war schon immer so, oder? Ist egal, wie du gedrückt hast oder was? Das ist fürchterlich, ne? Das ist ein anderer Winkel. Das ist falsch aufgenommen dann. Da schaut eh keiner zu. Dann gehe ich mal schon pinkeln. Oh, das shit. Ah, da ist irgendwas drunter, oder? Irgendwie Eiscreme oder so. Eiscreme. I can coming home and actually very finished down. Oh, this is the different side. Oder? Stuff it in. Just paper. Nope. Ich bin nicht Autotatiere. Das ist so. Ich bin keiner, der was Besonderes ist. Lasst mich einfach in Ruhe. Egal. Leben ist Leben. Lass leben. Das geht nicht. Leben langweilt mich manchmal. Laderoll. Burned out the nose. Armor feet supposed to go on the work. Stacking in. Number 3. Greeting delivered. Kommt doch heute nichts. Ich hab doch heute selber zu mir gesagt, heute bekomme ich nichts. Was bekomme ich denn jetzt schon wieder? Es ist die Nacht. Davidoff, heute. Ich dachte, es kommt erst am 7. oder was er gesagt hat. 15 bis 18:45. Ja, what the fuck? Da bin ich ja schon tot. Da bin ich schon... da bin ich betrunken, oder liege im Bett drin. So ein Schrott. Ja, schau. Master Publication und all die Stuff. Und keiner kommt. Na egal. Soll doch die machen, was sie wollen. Habt Spaß. Ich hab keinen Spaß. Macht's gut. Possible, dude. Who cares? Make it fast. Das kann man beim Rennen auch noch tun. Aber nass. Nice one. Never give up. There's always a little spending. I know, you want to go to sleep? Just give an hour plus. And fantastic stuff works on yourself. Even if you don't know a sloppiness. And punch the next day you have a girlfriend in your bedroom. Something like that. Never quit. You dance, you dance. Nobody cares about dance. Let's get funk, mate. But I just want to send you some playlist about the funk list. I just deal down with the construction work if you're just interested. Here we go. There it is. Put a pass in time.
URL.
Enjoy. Thank you very much, guys, for watching a little while. 145 songs already. Alright, you're dealing down with funk. Funk. Then there it is.
Funk 90 Funk. Enjoy.
Yep. Akira. Vamos. I hate that background music, yo. Just the in-game music if you finish me down. R.I.P. PsN Network account that feature on YouTube. You have two fat fingers. Dial again. You fucked it up. Stop that. Wird das was oder geht's nicht? Ah, das ist echt nervig.
Microphone on.
Yeah. The world is laid down. Some kind of an asshole like you in charge. To klicken then. Yep. Time is running, time is ticking, all the times. Never know what's going on. Mal Stani anrufen, wie es ihm so geht. Was tut das denn tun? War ich denn nicht drin? Was soll der Scheiß? Doch Mittag mal. Oh, Alter, das ist nicht erreichbar. Gain. Grace. Part of that. Wow, is that bright? Yeah. Ah, well. 頑張って。Who cares? The only thing was caring, it was actually my oven and my pee. Okay, get a little time. It's not like Veh.p6, you know, Pro Street. I'm missing this. That was challenging. That needs actually a remastering shit to keep it down. Actually, all these stuff. Then you're watching. Then you're fucking watching an Veh.p6. But yeah, it's just a lousy fucking celebrating bullshit maiden whatever company. It gives a fuck on EA. NHL, NPA, DHL. Or maybe just done actually with these soccer games. FIFA. Boring EA. Making Star Wars. You already bought off. They get them motherfucking Warner Brothers. EA. You senseless. Keeping on. Remaster the motherfucking Need for Speed Pro Street, Carbon, and Most Wanted. You will get actually a lot of actually fucking fans back. And you're the king then, again. EA. But you don't care. And I'm telling this since actually 25 years now. Can't bring even for, I think 11 years ago, the run back. Better be remastering something else. You continue with your shit content like Maiden all the times. Forget these crack. Soccer is important, not football. Who's playing football? Who's playing the fucking basketball shit game? It's boring. You can play it on a Game Boy, it makes more fun. Bring back Need for Speed Pro Street, Carbon, and Most Wanted. God damn it, and the run. Then you got your attention, god damn it. Already hate that I called actually and bought off actually Codemasters. What the fuck? Codemaster was itself. Great Britain. Biggest stuff. Would bring out all the times. Very good game. Racing games that were bringing out very good racing games out. And now you kill them, the Great Britons. Typically American companies just destroying the whole world. By what? No pleasure anymore. Don't go to army in America. It's making no sense. There's no fun, there's nothing. You get impotent anyway. Drauf gepisst, Alter. Ich gehe lieber zur chinesischen Armee, bevor ich zu den Amerikanern gehe. Die Amerikaner sind langweilig geworden. Ich gehe lieber zur chinesischen Armee. Da wirst du noch richtig gedrillt und nicht wie bei den Amerikanern wie in den Bayern. Mach mal Liegestützen, mach mal keine Liegestützen. Soll man Fortbildung machen, soll man keine Fortbildung machen. Das ist natürlich keine Sau. Ja, langweilig. Range. Vámonos. Jetzt schon? Na komm schon, Junge. Komm mit der Vehicle, goddammit. Oh my gosh. Hast du vergessen, Junge? Eieieiei. Gerade noch geschafft, ha? Oder warum ist der schon? Egal, mein Fehler. Ich hätte leicht 4000 schaffen können. Du hast es voll verkackt. Whatever. Nobody's watching anyway. Scheiße, 5000, oder? Das schaffe ich nicht. Das schauen wir mal. Durchblutungsmodus ist ziemlich hoch. Gibt einfach die richtige Mucke. What the hell? Only one try. I know. This is so bullshit. One mistake. It's gone. Come on, revenge. Throw the same engines, V10. Papa cheat. Get the fuck. Gambatte. Musik. Was für eine Scheißmusik wieder, ey. Keine Chance. Wenn diese Kackmusik nicht endet, Alter, dass man seine Playlist nicht aussenden kann, das kotzt mich an, Alter. Ach komm, ich höre auf dann, Alter. Ich hab die Schnauze voll, schon wieder randvoll, Alter. Du willst die Autos bewegen, wie du sie brauchst. Und dann kommt diese Scheißmusik mit diesem Gebabbel, Alter, von dieser blöden Tusse, Alter. Das macht mich so fertig, Alter. Das ist wie, es wird mit meiner Schwiegermutter, Alter, mit dir die ganze Zeit quatschen, Alter. Halt die Schnauze, Alter. Krieg ich so das Kotzen, Alter. Was ich nicht alles zu erledigen hätte und was ich nicht machen. Ich bin reingerutscht in diese Ehe, weißt du, wie ich meine? Halt's Maul. Oh, da krieg ich so einen Hass, Alter, auf diese Scheiße, Alter. Ich hab keinen Bock mehr zum Zocken, aber ich überhaupt keinen Bock mehr für nichts mehr, Alter. Exactly. Kommst du vor wie ein Anfänger? Animas. Naja, 2-fach besser als das Gold. Das hat schon Wert. Egal. I don't want to talk English anymore. I'm sorry for that one. It is that one. $5,540. Holy crack. With a cheap car, we just did actually a 9K. It's just the music, it's just, you know, I need something that pushes me. Let's get me this one in here. Nope. Not working. Not working. That maybe works. It's the point about making a child with a special girlfriend then. You need a special mood, you need a special something. You're saying, that's it. I fulfilled you and you making fulfill kind of fertilizing you. This is the part. Exactly the point. Fertilize her and say to her good night. That's it. I can't do and deal. That's the best I can make deal done. Hope there's coming up a good children. I'm not sure, but this is kind of this part. You need a perfect mood, better say M-O-O-D. You need a perfect mood then to make a child run. Something like that. Stuck on the drifting part as well. You need a perfect mood. Right now the sun runs in so hard that I can see actually my plasma TV anymore. It's like I see 20% of the TV. I don't know what the hell I'm doing done actually. Cheers up, companions. Rev.Sp we've got Part³ next stream. Egal. Scheiße. Let's go. No chance. One try only. Oh, who cares? Nobody's watching anyway. Who cares? Right. It's 7 hours I'm live streaming. Who cares? That's a good one. small beer, goddammit. Come up there. Fair. I'm not into this shit anymore. What happened, it happened. Who cares? And I say goodbye and have a nice time. Bye bye. I don't care anymore. Scheiß Wochenende, oder? Manchmal kotzt mich das so direkt an. Wo andere, keine Ahnung, für 100 € eine Bitch kriegen oder so ein Scheiß. Haben einfach Spaß. Muss ich da rumtun, oder? Weil ich sonst kein Leben habe. Kann genauso Haufen aufbinden. Ja, was bringt das? Gar nichts. Meine Depressivität kommt wieder zurück dann. Wundervoll. Ich hoffe, ich stirb bald. Nice one. Who cares? Interessiert es denn keine Sau? Mata. Boah. Und das ist jetzt fertig, oder wie? Yep. Ja, krass, Alter. Er hat seine Finger davon. Alter, der Ofen ist viel breiter als der alte. Das ist übel. Also ihr seid fertig, aber was soll ich jetzt tun? Sollen wir oder sollen wir nicht tun? Vegetables on it or not? There's so many stuff to be done. I told you. It's just gone. Huh. Get the laundry off here and have fun with this shit. Let's try. It's burning, it's burning. I have a fire extinguisher, no problem. We'll be dealing down with the species. Talking to C-Hack. Cut off actually the mouth. pull out the eyes for the birds tomorrow. Swim flocks. Holy stuff. They're perfectly going through. Too much for the people are watching. Let me guess. Cost of loss, you're just making off. Got idea. Gewürze erstmal. Ja, halt mal. It's very hard. Sunday soup? Someone else? Perfect oven. Skeleting. No, I don't want to deal that. Just these kind of these Sweden oven shit. Good idea. Okay, paint drop then this one. Cut the tail off. Oh, ha. Nice one. That looks good. Can we eat it? Little poison, eh? Well, tasteful, definitely. Unbelievable. What? Yeah, blah blah blah. Okay. Sounds good. Cheese. So we need cheese. A little bacon. Where the hell you come from? Second layer. Okay. Charming in. Alright, let's see what's coming up. Vegetables. I think there's too much water in there or something. Let's crack. Cooking. Yeah, I think so. I just give up. Nobody's watching anyway. Maybe better on Twitch. Not on YouTube. YouTube is just nobody's watching, and Twitch are very interesting. So I give up on YouTube then. Not uploading the stuff anyway. Fuck YouTube. No community, no nothing. Nobody's talking to you. Twitch is better then. Kind of a go fuck yourself and go, you know. Somebody else. I'm watching shit stuff. It's like how people in Dubai and making actually for 1 million making these pictures done for the game. If you post in some, you know, picture or something they don't like anyway. Oh fuck it. Life is sorted up. You're the loser, they the winners. They didn't work, you worked the hard time all the time 24/7. They give a fuck on you. Dubai, Emirates are the mass killers all over the world, killing the most people all over the day. More than 200 people every day. Fuck Dubai, fuck this corona, fuck this shit probably. Done with a rally and actually I'm 20 seconds too late. I don't care anymore. It makes me sick. Okay, it makes me sick. Like Dubai makes me sick. They bought already the soccer game from 2020, what's that, 2034, they already bought it off. They make me sick. Emirates, they just bought off with a lot of money. You don't need to be even done with school or something. You have $1 billion actually before you wake up as a children already in your pocket. I grew up actually here in Germany with area with 60 years. I'm trying to make money because I have no family. There was no father, there was a mother. I need to be done actually with my life self. Sometimes I go into the garbage cans and just eating out of this. No joke. That was my life. Is that eating actually mice or cat lag or something like in the hop gardens? Trying to eat them, grill them or something like. Because nobody cares on me. I was young. I was very young and nobody cares on me. Yeah, fuck off you idiots. Believe actually terrorists. Deal done whatever you wanna deal done with. That's the lost score. I quit. My life was the worst. One of the worst. No, nobody cares. So fuck it. Weather condition and it's going down. Oh, thankfully it's going down. Ah, scheiß doch auf die Brasilianer, scheiß auf die Nigerianer, die können nicht mehr schwimmen. Scheiß auf euch Arschlöcher. Scheiß Muslimen, scheiß Islamisten. Salafisten. Scheiß auf die Terroristen. Als Geschwätz. Es gibt keinen Tod. French heaven. Nichts. Überleben jetzt. Schwanzlöscher. There's no God, there's no fucking Satan, there's nothing. So shut the fuck up. If you get the Islamism shit, you done yourself. Help yourself. Fucking faggots. There's no America, there's no European, there's no Germany, there's nothing. The only state which count is just China right now and Russia, because you assholes don't want to bomb them. America is a pity sweat actually fucking neighborhood girl can't control herself. The rest of the world is like a piece of shit after pumpkins, just waiting for an attack and then slaughter actually its own persons, peoples away. We see that in Moscow, actually in Russia, they slaughter his own persons to death. North Korea slaughtering their own persons to death. Cuba, they're slaughtering all that was 40 years ago, person to death. How America needs to attraction for what? For what the fuck? What? It was a second hand for America, the Germans, to hold down actually Great Britain's. Great Britain is a piece of shit. Can't even kneel down with his life. Grinch. Stolen neighborhoods, stolen lands from world. Thought all the times Great Britain is the biggest country all over the world. Well, they're a piece of shit now. Fuck that queen. She was there like a puppet since 70 years. I know her. Bullshit. I don't give a fuck on Diana. That was an attack. Done.